They gave you a crowds are more fun in the Philippines welcome. What are you going to give them back in return? How are you repaying that love?
I'm going to give them everything I got. I'm going to start with a few maneuvers I've set Guinness World Records for over the years. You've all seen this one in the movies where a guy gets an accident speeding good, then spins around the follow back and drives away. Well, I set the world record on doing that in the tightest spins. But you'll notice when you see it on the movies, the car spins round and then change to a different angle, the car drives away. With my technique, the car never stops. We'll spin round and the car still doing the same amount of speed going forward. And we're going to do the spinning between these two cars here. There's loads of room there at the moment. So don't think this is going to be intense. I'm just having a bit of a warm-up. But the more noise you make, the closer we get. Are you with me?
Yeah! All right, Russ, let's get it going. But before you get it, I need to ask you a favor. We have a problem guest here in the audience. We want him to scare the shirt off this man. He's wearing the wrong shirt. He's got Russ Swift!
All right. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Show me out the shirt. Are you ready?
Yes. I was born ready. Oh.
One more.
Nice one.
The chaser, everybody. How was that?
It was so fun. Yes. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
The temperature of the ground being the tire. There it is. So that's a final run for 0. Pull up, move up. I'll do this Filipino style, man. friend here. You know this, okay? What? Can he do it?